So our Kitchenaid dishwasher didn't seem to be filling up with water on Thursday. Just got a part in today. I replaced the pump and motor in it about 3 years ago, and that still sounds like it's fine, but it's just not filling up with water, so I'm thinking it's the water valve. So I'm taking a gamble on this because I'm not a appliance repairman, but I'm thinking this could be the problem. Amazon needs to do a little bit better with their shipping. These two little tabs are bent down. They just sent it in that bubble wrap packaging. So I'll get this thing taken out and install that. If not, it's going to be the pump. Pump's $160. A new dishwasher is about $1,200. So hopefully it's just this $15 part, and then I can get this thing back up and running, because my wife was not happy about having to wash dishes by hand.
So I have to turn the camera sideways to get this shot. So this is what I'm after. So I'll pull it out. I'm noticing this crusty stuff here, so this valve might have been leaking. This is one of the little alarms. It screams louder if water's on it, but I put that in under here so I wouldn't have a problem with a leak, but those little crusties tell me something. This valve might be bad after all, so let's get this dishwasher pulled out and change it out. So this is the pump and motor I replaced about 3 years ago. This is the valve, and you see it had some sort of leak in it, so hopefully this is just the problem. So let's get it swapped out. That hose took a little persuasion. I have to take this out to the vise. I can't get this 90-degree elbow off by hand. So I'm hoping this connection is not going to be my Achilles heel. I do not have a compression fitting. And this one's pretty worn, but you know, I do always keep the alarm underneath. Let's see. Turn the camera on. Just started it up. Dishwasher's not running yet, it's still filling. So far no leaks, that's a good thing. Let me give it a second or two. Sounds like I've got water in here now, let's take a look. Oh yeah. So, drain this out. Check the drain line now. Sorry, I'm gonna have to turn you sideways. Okay, so it looks like the problem was a bad valve. So $15 versus $1,100 or $1,200. I think that's a big win. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Well, I spoke too soon. I have a leak right here at the fitting for the 90-degree elbow. Darn it. Alrighty, take two. I was lucky enough to be able to get one more turn out of this in place. So I'll keep my eyes on this. Make sure we don't have any leaks. While I'm waiting for this thing to fill up, I'll show you how these little alarms work. Puts out a pretty loud alarm. Dishwasher's noisier too because I've got the kick plate off at the moment. So I keep these little alarms. They're disposable. I think they last about 10 years. Alright, the dishwasher just kicked on. So those little water alarms I have underneath all the sinks in the house, behind all the toilets, underneath the dishwasher, and also behind the refrigerator, just to alert me if there's any problems. Let's see, I don't know if you can see in here if it's focusing good enough. See all the crap from our hard water probably clogged this thing up and made it fail. Well, thanks again for watching.